Hi, I watched a lot of videos on how to make a face mask, so now I want to show you how to make it the easiest way. All you need will be an old t-shirt and the scissors. Use an A4 paper as a benchmark. That's enough for an adult person. For kids, it could be smaller. From one t-shirt, this is an L or an XL size, you can make 4 face masks. Well, I just like this cat, so I make from front side just one face mask. Fold the cut t-shirt piece in half. Cut 2 to 3 centimeters, then 1 centimeter, and cut a hole in each of the 2 upper corners. If you like, you can put a paper towel as a filter. Then the outer parts put through each hole, both on the side. And it is done as well. Stay home, stay healthy.